Good morning. We've all had our fair share of rain, haven't we, just recently? In fact, Tuesday, I'm sure you're now well aware of the flooding rains that we had through the Isle of Man and the north of England, but they have gradually drifted their way south and east over the last few hours, and we are seeing a slow improvement. So the sharp thundery downpours easing as well in the southeast, and they will continue to clear. So by dawn, temperatures are going to be the talking point, not the rain. And in fact, with the northerly wind kicking in, the temperatures falling away quite sharply. So we are going to be greeted with some blue tones on our chart, temperatures close to freezing in places. So yes, there could be a touch of frost first thing this morning, and certainly it's going to be a chilly start in comparison to of late. So we start off, yes, on that chilly note, but it will be a dry one with some lovely spells of sunshine coming through, and probably the best day in terms of drier, sunnier weather through Wednesday. Now, a northerly wind could drive in a few sharp showers up into the far north of Scotland, and at the same time down to the southwest we could pick up a little more in the way of fair weather cloud, and those temperatures really struggling after that chilly start. 11 to 15 degrees the high, down on where they should be for the early half of October. So Wednesday, a cool day, the blue tones denoting that. But if we look out into the Atlantic around this circulation here, the warmer russets, the winds coming from more of a southerly direction. And within this significant area of low pressure is a lot of tropical moisture, so a little more warmth is set to return. You're probably aware now that this has the remnants of ex-Hurricane Lorenzo in it, and it's this low that's going to track to the west of Ireland, and it will bring some wet weather and some pretty rough seas and high tides. That moves across Ireland into Northern Ireland, and ahead of it we'll see the cloud thickening and the winds strengthening to gale force gusts. But further east, there should be a little more in the way of brighter weather, a little more sunshine coming through from time to time, and temperatures similar values on Thursday to Wednesday. We're looking at highs of around 11 to 16 degrees. But it's when this low pressure, which is going to track its way steadily eastwards and south during Thursday into Friday, which will introduce slightly milder air, but it will bring a spell of wet and windy weather before that system slowly starts to ease as it pushes south. Take care.